back to J-Wiz. Welcome back to J-Wiz TV. I'm back with another clip. Smash that subscribe button. You know what we do already, man. Salute to y'all for tuning in. I'm back with another reaction clip, man. It's an individual who is getting sentenced in court, for killing the deputy, man. That deputy did kill his kid, and he turned around, planned the strategic move, and, and returned the favor. But this is the court hearing from that individual, man. Let's get to this clip. It's J-Wiz TV. Boom.
This separate session of the Hamilton County Municipal Court is now in session. Judge Tyrone Yates is presiding this morning. We ask that you turn off all cell phones. You may be seated. Please remain quiet during all proceedings.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. First case load out to Rodney, Hinton.
Okay. Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Hinton.
The young man, the young soldier, who kid got killed by a deputy, he returned the favor, I don't know, they can have all these, deputies inside this courtroom. Why this is happening? Why this is going on? Y'all let me know in the comment section. But, they all here for it. They want to see what's the sentencing, and they want to be there while this dude is getting sentenced, Let's get into this clip.
Good morning.
He said good morning, Judge. He's very soft.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Anything as to probable cause?
Your Honor, we'll waive probable cause this morning. I have submitted designations for John Kennedy and Timothy Bignell. They will be the attorneys of record handling Mr. Hinton's case. I'll be handling the arraignment this morning.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Prosecutor, or anything as to bond?
As to bond, Your Honor, thank you. Your Honor, we understand this is a very, very serious, very terrible charge that Mr. Hinton is facing. He has but he does not have a history, Judge. He has no felonies in his record. His risk sentence score was a 1. He had no juvenile record. He works at UDF. He's married. He's a father. He's a graduate of Purcell Marion.
Nasty work, man.
I understand that
This judge crazy for letting all these cops come in. It's like a modern lynching, They sitting here watching this unfold. You got the sister right there, licking her lips, why it's unfold. Her mouth dry as hell, because she got that uniform on. But like they said, it's a dude who have no felonies, no charges, a family man, He probably did what we both probably would have done, man. A cop kill your kid, kill your son or daughter, you might take justice in your own hand. Y'all put it in the comment section, man. What y'all gonna do?
The emotionally charged situation. I understand that Mr. Hinton's son may have been killed by the police earlier in the week. There was a review of that video. I understand that there is a lot of sadness and a lot of anger in this room right now, but in the community at large. And we just ask the court to set a reasonable bond in light of everything and to allow the constitutional process to play out.
All right. Thank you. Andy, you've given me a pre-trial services sheet. Is that right this morning? All right. The court has had a chance to review that and his past history. Is there anything from the state through the prosecutor?
Yes, Your Honor. Ryan Nelson on behalf of the prosecution.
Could you give us more volume, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Ryan Nelson on behalf of the prosecution. What we believe that the evidence will show is that yesterday, on or about the 2nd of May, the defendant was traveling, I believe, it would be eastbound on Martin Luther King Avenue, at MLK, I believe at Burnett Woods, at the intersection, I believe immediately north to the rear entrance of the University of Cincinnati. The defendant stops his car. The defendant, in a way that was calculated and premeditated, lined up his car, deliberately accelerated his car, and purposely caused the death of an on-duty deputy sheriff who was doing a detail at that intersection. As such, we are going to be seeking indictment for aggravated murder, and we would request, in accordance with ORC 2937-222, for a no bond hearing. That rule requires that hearing be set within 3 business days, so we are seeking to set that date on the 6th of May of 2025. That'll be next Tuesday.
All right, guys. Pretty much they not giving him no type of bail. But what would y'all do in the situation, man? We gonna get into this other small little clip, man. We gonna end it there, man.
Law enforcement is grieving one of their own. The sheriff's deputy was directing traffic at a local university graduation Friday when he was struck.
The officer was just out doing his job, directing traffic up near the University of Cincinnati.
He is the father of a teen fatally shot by Cincinnati police on Thursday. That teen was 18-year-old Ryan Hinton. Police say he was armed and running away from a stolen vehicle when another officer opened fire. Police body cam footage of the shooting was shared with the teen's family the same day the deputy was struck. Prosecutors allege this was no accident.
There are no evidence of skid marks. There are no evidence that he tried to avoid him.
More than 30 members of the sheriff's department filled the courtroom for Hinton's arraignment. His attorney addressed the crowd.
I understand that there is a lot of sadness and a lot of anger in this room right now, but in the community at large.
We have a deputy that's killed simply doing his job. It's a shame. It's tragic.
Hold him at no bond for 72 hours,
Yes,
is that right?
Yes, correct.
Thank you. All right, thank you so much.
I heard him. Allegedly, his son was running away with a weapon. Y'all seen the small little clip. He was running away. Officers still got off on him, but at the end of the day, let me know your opinion on this, man. Son killed, dad in jail, about to probably do life, if not death penalty. I don't know what state they in, but this is J West TV. I'm out.